because kids are going to drink. Kids are going to experiment. And what we want to try to do is we want to stop that by replacing that activity with pro-social activities, such as being involved in a gym or music or drama. Any of those kind of things you get introduced to early enough, it's going to turn you to that correct path. It takes the parents, grandparents, uncles, all support teams around that individual to turn them in the right direction. The more hurdles we can put in front of a person, the harder it's going to be for them to experiment and use those kind of substances. If you just allow them to run down the track with no hurdles in place, they're destined to have some problems.